friends, this is the final part of our anesthesia equipment multiple choice questions. With this, our series has now completed 50 questions. If you haven't watched the previous 4 parts, please check them out. You will find them very useful. Now, let's move towards our video. Let's start.
Question 41. Which vaporizer is designed for dysphlorant? Correct option B, Tech 6 heated vaporizer. Question 42. Which circuit is commonly used in pediatrics because of low resistances? Correct option C, Ayerst piece, Mapleson E. 43. The most reliable method to detect a leak in the anesthesia machine is? Correct option B, high pressure leak test. Question 44. Which monitor is most important for detecting circuit disconnection? Correct option B, high pressure leak test. Question 45. What is the storage state of oxygen in cylinders? Correct option A, compressed gas. Question 46. Which part of the anesthesia machine ensures constant flow despite pressure changes? Correct option D, regulator. Question 47. Which Mapleson system is most wasteful of fresh gas flows? Correct option B, Mapleson B. Question 48. Which gas is associated with diffusion hypoxia on recovery from anesthesia? Correct option B, nitrous oxide. Question 49. Which volatile agent can form compound when degraded by sodium lime? Correct option A, sevoflurane. Question 50. Which circuit is best suited for transport and resuscitation? Correct option C, self-inflating ambu bag. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Anesthesia with Babar.